Oh, we have a big sale going on at Vail Dermatology, and Jessica Ballentine is here to tell us about it. She's their head medical esthetician at Vail Dermatology, and I learned a little bit about this from Dr. Nern on Monday, and it goes through the 11th. You brought in some of the cool gear that you have to work with these days. Technology has come a long way. What are these things, first of all?
These are some of our hand pieces for cool sculpting, which is a non-invasive procedure that we do for fat reduction. So this is good for bulges. We also offer something called Vanquish, which is another form of non-invasive fat reduction. This is more for certain bulges. It's kind of like having an apple, taking a chunk out of the apple, whereas the Vanquish machine that we have is actually more for kind of overall volume reduction.
Okay, so tell me about this. How does this work?
This one actually is new to the practice, which is awesome. They've just kind of come out with this handpiece. This is for submental fat. So this actually goes underneath your chin.
Underneath your chin? Okay.
Just like that. So for those of us that have like a little bit of double chin or excess fat underneath here, that's a great way to reduce that.
It's like a little vacuum cleaner.
It's like a little vacuum cleaner, exactly, yeah. So
okay, so that's for that part of the body. How about this one?
This one is actually for the flanks. So this is an area that's great for, so for our love handles, back fat, areas in the back, bra fat, things like that. So it's a great way to kind of reduce the muffin top, if you will.
Yeah, so you can fit into those ski pants and all those holiday dresses.
Yeah, so there's a little cup here that basically helps with the vacuum. So the tissue's kind of sucked up into this cup, and then these are cooling plates that circulate cool through either side to help reduce and basically destroy the fat cells without damaging any other tissue. Again, it's non-invasive. You can go right back to work right afterwards. So it's a nice way to kind of help minimize the stress on your pocketbook as you know, compared to other non-invasive procedures. And is also really great for, you know, those of us that don't want to go through the downtime and the risk that other fat reduction technologies can render.
Is part of the sale?
These services? Yes, this is definitely part of the sale. Any cosmetic procedures right now at Vail Dermatology and Aspen Dermatology next week in our Basalt area are 15% off. Same thing with Botox, any of our injectable fillers that the doctors or other providers do. So yeah, this is all included. Products are 10% off right now.
Ask Santa for this.
Yes, exactly.
And you could buy it now, but use it when you need throughout the year. You don't have to use it like this week.
Exactly. As long as you purchase this week in Vail or next week in Basalt, then you can, we're calling it Give the Gift of Skin, Good Skin. So basically you can purchase now and use it later. It's a great way to give gifts for the holiday seasons here, you know, so it's a great way to give gifts, especially for those of us who wouldn't normally buy things like this for ourselves, and men especially. I've actually treated a lot of ski instructors or men that are, you know, really physically fit but have a hard time getting rid of those little extra little bit that's just really stubborn or resistant to, you know, diet and exercise.
Okay, and then you also brought in Latisse. Now, is this part of a gift set? You have a lot of gifts that will come with different purchases.
Yes, so this is great. Latisse is for eyelash conditioning. It's for length and fullness, volume. So in this, you get a free Latisse, which is about $180 value if you purchase 50 units of Botox, which you don't have to use all at once. Again, you can use it in segments. Or if you do a Fraxel eye treatment. So laser resurfacing around the eyes, which is a treatment that helps with crow's feet and minimizing fine lines and wrinkles, and sometimes a little bit of puffiness, laxity, or crepiness around the eye area.
Okay, so this sale, once again, going on this week only through the 11th. You can always stop by your Edwards location, come on in, talk to some of your expert staff about what they need, what could help them.
We're happy to do consults anytime. Please come in. We're happy to just kind of tell you if you're not sure what you need. We're happy to kind of point you in the right direction.
Okay, all right, but take advantage of this sale. You can find out more at vaildermatology.com to get more details about cool sculpting or how to get this great Latisse gift set. We'll be right back with more Good Morning Vail.